Hey, what is up guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Abu Sufyan, and in this video we are going to learn how to sync your audio files in Premiere Pro, whether it's a single track or a multi-track. So let's get started then. So now we are on the Premiere Pro. So I have already imported 3 files here. This is the video file, this is the screen recording, and this is the vocals which I'm going to use as the main vocal. So first of all, we need to tweak some settings. So right click on the video file, modify audio channels, and then here preset audio channel. Under audio channel you need to click on, since my camera records in stereo, so I need to select the stereo and left right one clips. Okay, next let's do the same thing with OBS. On the OBS screen recording, I have recorded separately 2 audios, and for that I have recorded that in stereo. So let me click on the stereo. In the OBS screen recording, I have 2 audio files, one for the system and other one for my vocals, the inbuilt microphone from my computer, low quality, so that I can sync it with my video. So this is the one, and hit OK. And this is the vocals that I have recorded with my Zoom H1n, Zoom H1n, and click on modify audio channels. I have already processed this audio file, so I have processed it from stereo to mono. So I will click on the mono, and there is only one channel. Okay, so that's done. Now let's drag this video into the timeline. Okay, video is here. Always make sure whenever you're syncing, you always need to put each track on, like here we have 3 tracks, the audio, screen recording, and the video. So always we need to put it on an individual tracks. So I'll put this OBS tutorial here on video 2. On video 2 track, the screen recording goes into the video 2 track. So let me adjust that, since it's going to be above this one. So video are in separate track and audios are in separate track, and the final vocal, there's a main vocal, that also should be in a separate track. Ripple, and then select all of them and synchronize. Hit OK. So that's how we do it on a multi-track. Okay, so let me mute the camera vocals and screen recording vocals. We're on the Premiere Pro. Is this, look, it is. So there are 2 methods actually, done very nicely. So that's how you do it. That's how you sync your audio in a multi-track. Thank you so much for watching this video. That's how I sync my audio files in the Premiere Pro. And if you think this video helped you in some way, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button. And always feel free to criticize. Catch you guys in the next one.